I mean, it's a great question a kid can ask. How fast am I going through space? And the Earth, if you're on the equator of the Earth, that goes around at about 1,000 miles an hour, and then, we go around the sun at about 67,000 miles an hour in our orbit. The sun's going around the galaxy about 500,000 miles an hour around the galaxy. The galaxy is going towards a galactic cluster at more than 1,000,000 miles an hour. But, how fast are we going, really?
Fear before him all the earth. The world also shall be stable, that it be not moved.
And the only thing you can measure is how fast are you going relative to something else. There's no answer.
Who laid the foundations of the earth, that it should not be removed forever.
How fast am I going? Well, am I still, or am I actually traveling close to the speed of light right now? I don't know.
When we create a clock, we create a watch, and the watch is 24 hours a day. It's running. What is it measuring?
Yeah.
Right?
That is exactly the question Albert Einstein asked. That is a deep, excellent question.
And God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years, and let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth." And it was so. And God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. And God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good.
And so that was the problem. In a famous thought experiment, Einstein made a clock by setting up two mirrors and having light bounce between the two mirrors. And that was the tick of the clock. Tick, 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 tick. And the problem was that that's how he started thinking about the speed of light, is that if you had this thing in a spaceship that was going a huge fraction of the speed of light, then a person standing watching it go by would actually watch the light kind of trace out a pattern like this. Because it's actually ticking between the mirrors, but the mirrors are moving along. And so you see the light make this sort of bouncy movement. And that means it's actually traveled farther than the person on the ground who thinks that the mirrors are just sort of, the light is making just a straight up and down line from mirror to mirror. That question that you asked is what completely revolutionized physics. Everything fell apart. But that's sort of the way modern physics thinks the universe may be, is a big whole thing that started from beginning to end and is all now-ish. When people said, how do you even measure time? What does it mean to make a clock? What are we measuring?
I still don't understand what we're measuring.
Oh, Lord. Yeah.
I get it. I don't
know if I have an answer for you. I don't think anybody does. Anything you can do to measure one moment to the next changes when motion is involved. There's no way to get around it. It's not just the measurement. It's time itself is changing. Any way we have to measure this thing we call time. And I have to tell you, Joe, I don't think we have an answer to what time is. What are we measuring? I think right there, I think you're asking for the next revolution in physics that we don't have yet. I really mean that.
In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
So when we're measuring time currently, like when I look down at my watch, I'm measuring time in this particular space, like where I am, what altitude I'm at,
right,
how fast I'm moving, and the watch just does a reasonable job of calculating all that.
And that's you. That's what you see here, sitting still with your watch.
Right.
If someone's flying by at close to the speed of light, they won't see you measure time the same way.
Right.
If someone's flying by at close to the speed of light, they won't see you measure time the same way.